Royal Enfield is one of the oldest motorcycle brands in continuous production. The brand started back in 1901. We are in more than 60 countries. As soon as you sit on the Royal Enfield for the first time and you ride it, you are in love with the motorcycle. How do we convert that visceral experience into something which is emotional online? That is where we actually provide the best customer experience, digital experience, and the experience through our products. Now, what happened during pandemic was that there was this race of digitization where every function wanted to digitize themselves. That created a lot of small little silos. These were more than 80 systems in the organization where all this data was resting. More than 800 data fields which were there, and all this had to be brought together. And we started looking for a solution where we can bring all the data sources, all the consumer engagements, all the consumer behavior in one place where all the unification can happen, bring us closer to the customers, bring us closer to one single source of truth. Salesforce has been the firepower behind the customer experience that the Royal Enfield is delivering today. Now we had Data Cloud where all the data was brought into one place. Now what that did for us is that actually gave us a unified customer profile. We were able to unify the behavioral footprint, the transactional information, and all the other information that we had about the customers all in one place to be able to provide them with the best, the most contextual, and the most relevant next communication to the next step. That is where the Marketing Cloud comes in. It really enables us to give the right kind of messaging at the right time, to be able to use all the touch points that we have with our customers to be able to provide a very, very personalized experience. And all of that is coming to us, from calculated insights that we are getting from Einstein. So Salesforce has allowed us to ensure that it's not a transaction between the brand and the customer. It is actually a relationship that we are building. It's about nurturing that relationship to the next level. Now, after the deployment of Salesforce, what we have seen is that the number of messages that we are sending out to the customer today has really reduced to 50% to what they were, which meant we were able to control the frequency, we were able to become relevant. Today, our engagement scores, they have gone 2x, almost doubled up, which is a really, really good indication to the brand that we are able to engage with the customers in the right manner and exactly at the right time. So whether they are on their motorcycles, riding to the destination that they love, or whether they are on their screen, planning their next ride to the next destination, we want to stay relevant, we want to stay close to them. Salesforce has brought us closer to our riders by ensuring that we are relevant in our communication, we are contextual, and we are also reaching out to them at the right time.